Welcome back to this channel. Hello. We are reviewing the Pi Network Pi Chain Mall today to see how it prepares to start accepting withdrawals for actual Pi. This review is intended to inform you about Pi Network Chain Mall and encourage further participation in this project. Keep checking back for more details and updates on this fascinating and creative initiative. Make sure you are subscribed and have alerts switched on if you want to promote and aid in the development of Pi Network so that it can reach millions of users. You will be able to keep up with all of the most recent Pi Network news and developments by doing this. But first, let's do what we always do and say the standard disclaimer. You should always carry out your own study, consult with authorized experts, draw your own findings, and decide for yourself. I don't mean for anything I say in this video to be taken as professional or financial advice of any kind, it's just my own view. Not to mention that I personally own Pi coins and have a stake in the project's success, as you may already be aware. Please remember to subscribe to the channel for more regularly updated stuff like this and give this video a thumbs up. Additionally, post a comment below with the phrase Pi Network to the moon. With that said, let's get started. The main marketplace for Pi Network users is the Pi Chain Mall, or PCM for short. A recent enhancement to the platform's withdrawal feature for merchants was introduced. According to the release, platform pioneers would soon get access to the DAP to withdraw their Pi coins. Although the PCM team hasn't yet provided a particular date, this new functionality is scheduled to go live this week. Users must finish email verification and set up two-factor authentication before they may withdraw their Pi coins. The PCM team offered instructions on how to use the Google Authenticator app to configure a 2FA key and validate email addresses. Users are only permitted to withdraw 50 Pi coins per day during the withdrawal testing period. Pioneers will be able to withdraw hundreds of Pi coins per day after a merchant verification system that is presently being developed by the PCM team is finished. The beginning of customer support for Pioneers on February 1st is another exciting event for Pi Network users. The PCM team urged users to adhere to the directions given in their Twitter thread regarding how to set up the 2FAQ using the Google Authenticator app and verify their email. As the feature becomes operational, PCM will provide more updates. Pioneers may exchange and withdraw their Pi coins on a smooth and safe platform thanks to the hard work of the Pi Chain Mall. The platform is ready for future growth and success with the introduction of the withdrawal feature and customer service. We trust you now know more about the Pi Chain Mall and are eager to see what it can do for Pi Network in the future. Please leave any queries or remarks in the space provided below in the comments section. We would be delighted to hear from you, and we will try to address any queries you may have. Don't forget to leave a comment with Pi Network to the moon, and remember to subscribe to our channel and activate notifications to receive all the most recent Pi Network news and updates. This is a great feature that will aid in the expansion of the Pi Network ecosystem because the Pi Network is committed to encouraging innovation and creativity in the local community. We anticipate that the core team will develop more excellent initiatives that will immediately and broadly help the Pi Network community. What is the largest marketplace on the Pi Network? The Pi Chain Mall. Users can buy and sell goods via the Pi Network using the Pi Chain Mall. One of the busiest decentralized applications, dApps, on the Pi Network is the Pi Chain Mall, PCM. Using Pi tokens as their medium of exchange, PCM's decentralized marketplace enables a network of users from across the world to purchase, sell, and trade goods and services. Pi Network's Pi Chain Mall has been expanding ever since. In October 2021, PCM takes first place in the inaugural Pi Network Hackathon. In the hackathon, Pi Workforce Pool, a website for job seekers, won the prize for Best Business App, placing PCM in second place. The PCM team just tweeted to their community to congratulate their accomplishments. Operating the Pi Chain Mall is really easy. After creating a profile and connecting it to their Pi wallet, users may start buying and selling goods. Although full KYC is not necessary to join Pi Chain Mall, as the Pi Network advances closer to the open mainnet, all members will complete KYC. Members of the PCM network can log on from as far away as Nigeria and China. The PCM Payments smart contract on the Pi Block Explorer shows that the users are trading and conducting business almost constantly throughout the day. In essence, there are blockchain transactions every minute. According to the amount of transactions per day, we are also the most active Pi application, Edwin, PCM Global Community Manager, told BSC News. Even though the majority of the pioneers haven't been KYC'd and the mainnet is still enclosed. The Pi Network's closed mainnet is where the online marketplace is located. This places various restrictions on Pi Chain Mall users. Users of the Pi Network are unable to exchange their Pi tokens for cash. Users cannot exchange anything other than Pi in the app and cannot link any other financial services. Currently, the only way for PCM users to earn Pi is through selling goods. However, they are unable to withdraw or spend the Pi they earned on other goods. Pi can no longer be distributed widely on our platform because of this, said Edwin, PCM Global Community Manager. PCM will open withdrawal, nevertheless, the following month. Additionally, users can transfer it from the PCM app to their wallet on the Pi mainnet. This will be a significant and historic turning point in the development of Pi ecological applications for us. Additionally, Pi will increase in value as they are more widely used. The Pi Chain Mall team continues to have positive working connections with numerous Pi ecosystem initiatives. The group maintains constant communication with the Pi core team members and is able to submit update requests to enhance the Pi network overall. Both mobile and internet access are accessible for the Pi Chain Mall. Both the Pi Network app and the Pi browser provide access to PCM. The goal of Pi Network, a mobile blockchain mining startup, is to make the cryptocurrency revolution accessible to everyone. A group of Stanford University Ph.D. candidates who created a mobile-friendly blockchain mining algorithm launched the project. Over the years, Pi Network has developed, hosting a hackathon, creating a few functional Pi blockchain apps, and is currently completing the switch to the mainnet. The PiCoin network, which has millions of miners and a significant social media following, is one of the biggest cryptocurrency communities. However, despite having a sizable user base, the network has yet to publicly open its mainnet, which puts some of its users on edge. Other platforms and organizations took advantage of the PiCoin platform's mainnet launch's delay and launched their own coin under its name and branding. Additionally, the phony PiCoin project was able to list itself on some of the major cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, like Huobi and XT.com, very rapidly. Millions of PiCoin community members wondered if the project's mainnet had been made public after the unlicensed debut of the PiCoin token in the markets. The Pi Network was forced to issue a statement via its social media accounts alerting its subscribers of the problem. The launch of the token also served as a reminder to its millions of users of what they had been looking forward to over the last several years. Some have referred to the project as a hoax because it has been in a secret mainnet for years without announcing the dates it will be online and be available to its users. The lack of clear communication is one of the factors they list as making the enterprise a hoax. Some people see the project as a way to collect the data of their users and sell it to other people so they may benefit from it. Despite the criticism, the majority of people are still confident that the project will eventually be launched. But as of right now, the PiCoin's tokens that the majority of its users have mined are useless. In the event that it is introduced soon, I anticipate a sharp decline in price. Because so many people already own the coin, I do not anticipate the price to open higher than $0.1. That is all, sorry. So as not to miss any upcoming Pi Network upgrades, remember to like, subscribe and enable notifications. As always, feel free to post any questions you may have in the comments area below about the listing of the IOUs for the Pi currency or the Pi Network in general.